Hi everyone, welcome to Center of Balance Live. I'm Szenan from Center of Balance, the acupuncturist. Now, today's topic is what is depression. So we have covered anxiety as a series. So if you want to rewatch all the anxiety treatment and what is anxiety, what causes anxiety, and what are the anxiety symptoms, then please go back to my YouTube video or my Facebook page. There are a lot of videos that you can see every day. Now, today we're gonna focus on depression. So first, we're going to talk about what is depression. The first topic is what's depression, and then following every day we're gonna talk about other topic like depression symptoms and treatment and what caused depression, all those things. Okay. If you're on Facebook right now, hi Veronica, and all you on YouTube, please say hi to me and give me a thumbs up. So this is what I'm gonna do right now on my Facebook page. I'm going to share this live video, and can you please do it with me? Do it for me as well. So with your share, it'll help more and more people discover this live video, and it will help me to share and help more and more people. Thank you very much. So I'm going to share share on my page. Okay, that's it. I'm going to the Instagram account. So I have an Instagram account on my Facebook page, clinic page, Instagram one, and then I'm going to go to my personal account to do a live video as well. Here it is. Okay, now if you are on my clinic page, so our clinic phone number, if you need any help from us, whether it's pain relief or depression or anxiety, so you're welcome to call our clinic on 0784679956. So 0784679956. Now we actually offer a free pre-assessment. So so up to 15 minutes, that's free. So come in and talk to us to see whether we can help you. And if you're sure that you want our service, and you can straight away go to our website and fill in a initial new patient form, which is a long form. It's a very long one. So once you fill in all the form, we'll be able to know what organ are out of balance. So to come in for initial examination, that's about an hour, and we only charge you for $40.
We need a
I'm
ball.
on the live video. Sorry, that's my order. So so that is $40 for an hour initial examination. Then we'll give you a plan, care plan, and let you know what is diagnosed according to Chinese medicines, and then what is the cost will be, and how long will it take, and whether you need acupuncture or Chinese medicine, or just acupuncture, just Chinese medicine, or whether you need to change your diet, all this thing. All right. Let's start talk about what is depression. So depression is classified as a mood disorder, right? It's an emotional disorder. It can be described as feeling of sadness, loss, or anger that interfere with a person's everyday activities. So we talk about sadness. And in Chinese medicine, it related to what? Lung and large intestine. If we talk about anger, that is liver and gallbladder, right? Liver and gallbladder. That makes sense? We're gonna talk about this and what causes depression. When it comes to the topic of what causes depression, we're gonna go to the Chinese medicine way to explain it, and as well as on the Western medicine side. Right. So it's also fairly common, very common, right? So the Center of Disease Control and Prevention estimate that 8.1% of American adults aged from 20 and over depression in any given 2 weeks period from 2013 and 2016. Wow, that's a lot, isn't it? So 8.1%. So every 100 people, there are about 8 people. There's about 8 people that actually suffer from depression in any given 2 weeks, 2 weeks period. Wow. So people experience depression in different ways, right? It may interfere with your daily work, resulting in lost time and lower productivity. It can also influence relationships and some chronic health conditions. Yep, the condition that can get worse due to depression, including arthritis, that we see a lot. Yeah, people get depressed because they're in pain, joint pain, particularly with arthritis. Asthma, that's the lung problem, right? With the arthritis, it's joint, so it's liver. Wheezing, asthma, lung. Cardiovascular disease, heart problem. Cancer, cancer can be any of the organ or beds. And diabetes, many with stomach and spleen, but diabetes can cause due to kidney and liver too, right? Obesity can be any organs, right? So it's important to realize that feeling down at times is a normal part of the life. We all get this, right? Sad and upsetting events happen to everyone. I mean everyone. But if you are feeling down or hopeless on a regular basis, you could be dealing with depression. If you're feeling down or sad, just 1 or 2 days or just few hours, just that day, it's not often. It's not everyday things. But if you're feeling that every day, and that depression, it can be serious, right? So depression is considered a serious medical conditions that can get worse without proper treatment. So those who seek treatment often see improvement in symptoms in just a few weeks. If you're talking about Western medicine treatment, that's about drugs and psychologist treatment, right? But there are a lot of alternative things that you can do, like anxiety, right? So we do Ho'oponopono method, we do acupuncture, we do Chinese medicine, right? And what else can you do? You can change your lifestyle. It totally helps. Okay, and exercise would help too. If like a common thing is if you break up with a girlfriend or boyfriend, you definitely get down and sad, and that's not depression. Do not put it into, hey, you had depression. I am depressed because of this. You're not. Okay, it's not an everyday thing. It may take weeks. or even 1 or 2 months, get over it. Get over the sadness and downtime. But do not feed yourself medication, right? Because there are a lot of side effects in that, right? Right? Stay awesome, and we're gonna talk about depression symptoms, and we're gonna talk about depression cause and depression test, the types of depressions, treatment option for depression, and treatment option. We're going to talk about medication, psychotherapy, light therapy, alternative therapy, exercise, and acupuncture, Chinese herbs, and the nature treatment for depression. There are essential oils available, and how to prevent depression. And there are other depression for bipolar depression. And depression and anxiety, those things. When we talk about anxiety the other last time, right? And what about depression and anxiety? Can they happen at the same time? So are they the same thing? They are not the same thing. While I do this video, daily video, and one of the Chinese practitioner and just came to me and say, well, depression and anxiety is the same thing, I said, well, it can happen together, but it's not the same thing, right? So, because not normally, let's talk about one symptom, that anxiety often cause heart palpitation, but not depression. Not depression. Depression one not often cause palpitation. If you ask the patient, when it happened, do you feel? Can you hear your heartbeat? And most people say yes with anxiety. With depression, now I don't have this symptom. There's a big difference, you see. All right, stay awesome, and I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.